If you are here, it means you dual boot your PC. A term used when someone runs multiple operating systems side by side on a single drive. It might be several Windows or Linux distros. You may encounter an error message like this. I'm not too sure what might be the cause. I had Windows 10 installed alongside Kali Linux. Everything was working perfectly, then something went wrong, and I got this error. Here is how I managed to get over this problem in just 2 simple steps. I'm not too sure of what caused the problem, but I'm going to show you a solution. Don't worry about data loss because your data will still be intact. You might have tried several solutions on YouTube, just like me, but it didn't work. Here is what I did. First, you'll need to get the ISO of your Windows machine. Head over to the Microsoft official website and grab a copy. If you're using a PC to download this, you'll have to do a certain tweak. After downloading, double-click to open the ISO image. Locate the .exe file and double-click. Follow the interactive menu. Keep files and apps. Failure to do so will erase all your data. Wait for the process to finish. Your device will reboot periodically. Don't panic, it is normal. After everything is done, if you can't find the Linux OS in the boot options, do the following. Open CMD and run as administrator. Type the following commands. This will fix the issue. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.